How to turn off or disable a laptop keyboard. So if you want to turn off or disable a laptop keyboard, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for device manager and open up your device manager. Once you open up your device manager, now you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply go with the keyboard option. So enlarge the keyboards, and from the device list, you need to click on the keyboard, right click on it, and then go with uninstall device. Once you click on uninstall device, you will have another option to uninstall. You just click on uninstall and you need to uninstall it. And once you click on S button, then your keyboard will temporarily disable on your laptop. If you want to permanently disable the laptop keyboard, then follow the steps. What you need to do is just go back and go with edit group policy. Search with edit group policy, click on it, and you'll get this kind of interface. And double click on the computer configuration. And after that, here on the right side, you will have administrative templates. Double click on that again, and you will have system. Click on system or double click on the system and open the device installation folder. Double click on it again, and here you will have an option of prevent installation of devices. So double click on the option which is device installation restrictions, and you'll have prevent installation of devices not described by other policy settings. So you need to choose the option, right click on it, go with edit, and here go with enabled. And once you click on enabled, go with apply and then go with OK. This will permanently disable your laptop keyboard. And if you want to reactivate your keyboard, then open up the local group policy editor window and go with the same options that we've gone through, and right click on it, go with edit and choose not configured, and after that it will be disabled. So that's how you can turn off or disable a laptop keyboard. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.